Hi everyone, I'm Jake. Welcome to episode 6 of IoT with Dusun. Last time we have talked about the healthcare hardware solutions. If you haven't seen that one, please check it through the link right here. Today's video is about smart ElderlyCare hardware solutions. So without further ado, let's get into it. First and foremost, a little background here. According to a recent report by Business Wire, ElderlyCare products and services market size is $132.8 billion in 2019, growing at a CAGR of 3.9% during the forecast period from 2020 to 2025. ElderlyCare, often referred to as a senior care, is specialized care that is designed to meet the needs and requirements of senior citizens at various stages. As such, ElderlyCare is a broader term as it encompasses everything from assisted living and nursing care to adult daycare, home care, and even hospice care. Increasing geriatric population and the growing awareness among consumers regarding home care services is a significant factor fueling its market growth. Besides, this is an upsurge in the technological advancement, including development of robots capable of assisting elderly people in carrying out day-to-day operations, is estimated to boost its market growth. Of course, various government organizations are supporting this industry, thus fueling market growth. For instance, in Australia, the government funds offer an aged care approval round ACAR and similar other programs to help service providers with grant or build their facilities. In addition, owing to the COVID-19 pandemic, the government is set to provide a package of $52.9 million to residential aged care, RAC, National Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander NATSI, and home care providers over the next 2 years. Smart ElderlyCare hardware solutions enable the elderly to live independently at home for longer periods of time. It can detect the life trajectory of the elderly and can also help with the safety. The system uses inconspicuous wireless sensors located in the home to learn the daily behavior patterns, detect behavioral changes that may cause concern. Then it reminds family members or carers through messages. The system uniquely uses proven technology that has been successfully tested in residential care facilities for several years. Our ElderlyCare hardware solution is now available for home installations by service providers, retailers, and smart home system integrators. Here is a framework diagram of our ElderlyCare hardware solutions. So at the bottom here, this is our hardware kit with all those sensors, alarms, detectors. So how do we connect them to the cloud? Please look at here. By using Zigbee protocol, we connect those devices to our gateway, and by using MQTT Open API, we connect them to the cloud, so we can, control those devices and monitor real-time status for the elderly. So that's it. If you need more assistance, please go to our website. I'll put it here. Here are all these advantages of our ElderlyCare hardware solutions. First, we have standard certification. Second, we offer open API interface. Third, we have Zigbee 3.0 protocol. Last but not least, we offer a Lucy page for easy configuration. And below here are all those files available on our website. As I mentioned, you can download them on our website. Or if you have any specific requirements, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. We will help you as much as we could. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please help subscribe if you find our content informative and useful. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.